pranayama is something that we will constantly be working on in our yoga practice. It is a compound word made up of two words, the first being prana. Prana is what we call our life force, or otherwise known as the breath. And this will look different for each individual, yet it is the constant coming back to what fulfills us, what vivifies us, what gets us out of bed in the morning. And these pranas run through different channels of energy called nadis, which we will get to in a little bit. The second half of pranayama yama is the restraining, withholding, or manipulation of the breath. So put together, pranayama is the practice and the withholding or manipulation of the breath. Breathing is so important. It is the first thing we do when we come into this world, and it will be the last thing that we do when we leave this world. Yet somehow in between, most of us are so unconscious of our breathing and our breath. We don't know when we're doing it, and we don't know how we are doing it. And so pranayama is the constant practice of coming back to ourselves and to our breath. Pranayama can do two things. It can change and elevate our state of mind and our energy, and it can also increase our awareness and our consciousness. Breathing is a subconscious thing that we do not think about most of the day, and our subconscious is where most of our decisions, our reactions, and our emotions take place. Yet we are so untapped into our subconscious that breathing can actually tap us in to our subconscious, and that is why it is so important that we practice this each and every day, not just in our yoga practice, but throughout the day, constantly coming back into our breath. Our asanas will challenge our physical bodies, but the pranayama will challenge our mental and emotional well-being, testing our patience and our reactions to things in our daily life. The three nadis, Ida Nadi is the negative channel of energy going throughout the whole left side of your body and through your left nostril. This is our feminine energy, the cooling energy, and it is associated with the moon. Our positive nadi, Pingala Nadi, runs all the way up our right side and out of our right nostril. This is our masculine energy, and it is mostly used during the day as it is our heating energy. It also comes from the sun. The neutral nadi, Sushumna nadi, is our neutral nadi, and this is when the Ida and the Pingala nadi are in balance. And when these are in balance, this is the ultimate progression of energy that represents the highest ascent of our consciousness.